Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and our today's question is we are moving to the next question of SQL, which is find the second highest salary. So in this question you are given a table employee which consists of two columns, that is column 1 is ID and column 2 is salary. Both are of a type int where ID is the primary key of a column with unique value for this table. Each row of this table contains information about the salary of an employee. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to write a solution to find the second highest distinct salary from employee table. If there is no second highest salary, return null. Return none in pandas. Okay. The result format is in, okay. So we are doing in SQL. So just ignore this line. So basically they were saying key you are given a table in which there are different employees with their ID and salary. You have to return the second highest salary of an employee. See, you can see 300 is the highest salary of an employee with ID 3, and 200 is the second highest salary of an employee with ID 2. So what I can do, I can simply calculate that salary which is just one number smaller, which is just smaller than the highest salary. Which means if I get the highest salary, then I can uh, simply find the second highest salary because it is the next smaller than highest salary. So what I am doing here, I am selecting the max salary as second highest salary from employee, where salary is just next smaller than this. This statement will return us the highest salary. That is, this select max salary from employee, it will return highest salary which is 300. But we have to calculate second highest salary. So second highest salary is the just next smaller. So हमको क्या मिल जाएगा यहाँ से? इसका next smaller क्या है यहाँ पे 200. So we will get 200. Now 200 is only the second highest salary ना. So we will return this. This is a simple approach. You can also solve this question using limit keyword, that select max salary as second highest salary from employee where salary. You can simply calculate the you can means you can sort this in descending order and then written limit 1 comma 1 limit 1 comma 1. So limit 1 comma 1 will give you, it will skip the first salary, that is it will skip 300, and then it will return the first salary after 300, that is 200. So it will return 200. Okay, and you can solve this with this query also. Both are same and both are equal. Okay, moving to our next question. Delete duplicates emails. So you are given a table person which also consists of two column ID and email. ID is the primary key. Write a solution to delete all the duplicate emails, keeping only one unique email with the smallest ID. Okay, so, and for SQL users, please note that you are supposed to write delete statement and not a select one. Okay, so you have to delete if there are two email, okay, with different ID but same email. If there are two people with different ID with the same emails, so you have to delete the person with the highest ID. मतलब जिसकी आईडी ज़्यादा है उसको डिलीट करना है and the smaller one को रखना है. Okay, and we don't have to write this query using the select statement. हम select से तो कर सकते थे, but we have to not use select here. We will use delete. Okay, so we will what we will do the self join of this table. We will select P1 from person 1 and P2 from person 2. Okay, person 1 and person 2 both are the same table. We are doing the self join here. और जहाँ पे P1 की email ID equals to P2 की email ID and P1 ID should be greater than P2 ID. अगर ऐसा है तो I will delete P1. ओके, जिसकी भी आईडी बड़ी है, अगर कोई दो लोगों की आईडी इक्वल है, ईमेल इक्वल है और उसमें से जिसकी आईडी बड़ी है, I will delete that one. ओके, now let's try to run this. See, you can see यहाँ पे 1 और 3 आईडी का ईमेल सेम है, लेकिन इन द आउटपुट वी आर डिलीटिंग द 3 क्योंकि इसका आईडी काउंट जाता है. ओके, so we will get 1 and 2 with different IDs. Okay guys, I hope so you understand this much. Now we will solve next question in our next video. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you for watching.